Good morning, all the participants. I will be starting my lecture. I welcome you all on behalf of Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation Education Department. I am here to present my online lecture of Standard 6, Medium English, and our subject is Mathematics. Today we are going to learn angles. Okay. Myself, Vidya Madhukar Bangar, and our topic name is angles. Today's our topic name is angles. When I ask you some questions, then please raise your hand. Okay. So I hope that the session will be very interesting and you please try to understand. Okay. Now here we starting our lesson. Students, have you observed hands up clock? Okay, these are hands up clock. These are hands up clock. Okay, two hands are at different position. See here, these hands up clock are different position, different point of time. They move along the dial. The two hands represent two rays. Two hands. These two hands represent two rays. Meet at point C. Meet at the point. When two rays having common endpoint, they form an angle. When two rays having common endpoint, they form an angle. Two rays forming an angle are called the arms. These are arms of the angle. Okay. Has common endpoint called vertex. This common endpoint called vertex. Okay. Depending on the position of the arms, there are different types of angles. Let's learn about them. Okay. See, when the clock strikes 3, then a right angle occurs. Here, right angle occurs. See, when the clock strikes 3, a right angle occurs. The angle formed in figure is right angle. Okay. The angle formed in this figure is right angle. An angle of 90 degree. An angle of 90 degree is called right angle. An angle of 90 degree is called right angle. Okay. This angle is right angle. Then see, when the clock strikes 2, an angle is an acute angle. When the clock strikes 2, an angle is an acute angle. Angle whose measure more than 0 degree and less than 90 degree. Okay. An angle whose measure more than 0 degree and less than 90 degree is called an acute angle. Okay. See, in this figure, the measure of angle, okay, in this figure, the measure of angle is less than 90 degree. So, this angle is called an acute angle. Okay. In this figure, the measure of angle is less than 90 degree. So, this angle is called an acute angle. Okay. See, definition of acute angle. An angle greater than 0 degree but less than 90 degree is called an acute angle. Then next. Okay, see. When the clock strikes 4, an angle is obtuse angle. Okay. When the clock strikes 4, an angle is obtuse angle. Obtuse angle is bigger than right angle. Okay. Obtuse angle is bigger than right angle. It measure between 90 degree to 180 degree. Okay. It measure between 90 degree to 180 degree. In this figure, this angle is greater than 90 degree. Okay. In this figure, the angle is greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. So this angle is called a obtuse angle. This angle is called a obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. An angle greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree is called obtuse angle. Obtuse angle means an angle greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree is called obtuse angle. In this figure, this angle is, see, this angle is obtuse angle. Okay. Okay. Look at this chart. Okay, angles. See, these are angles. Angle A, sorry, PYR, then PYR, then angle LMN, then angle POS. First is angle PYR, then angle LMN, then angle BOS. Okay. Name of the angles. So students, tell me what is the name of this angle? This first angle. What is the name of this angle? Tell me the name of this angle.
Acute angle.
No. Name matlab see.
PYR.
Very good. Angle PYR. Name of the angle PYR. Then tell me name of this angle.
LMN.
Very good. LMN. Very good. Then tell me name of this angle.
BOS.
Very good. BOS. Very good. Then very correct answer. Okay. Then vertex of the angle. Okay. Vertex of the angle. Okay. In this angle, in angle PYR, which is the vertex of the angle? Which is the vertex of this angle PYR? Give me answer. Vertex of angle.
Y.
Very good. Y. Very good. Then, okay. In this, okay. Then, in this angle, angle LMN. Okay. Angle LMN, which is the
M.
very,
M.
very good. Very good. M. Then angle BOS. Angle
O.
BOS, which is the one. Very good. O. Very good. Very correct answer. Okay. Then arms of the angle. Okay. Arms of the angle. Okay. Tell me the names of arms of this angle. Angle PYR.
Ray. YP. Ray. YR.
Very good. Ray PY. Ray YR. Very good. Then tell me in this angle LMN. Tell me the name of arms of the angle.
Ray MN. Ray MN.
Very good. Ray ML, then Ray MN. Okay. Then tell me the names of arms of this angle BOS, angle BOS.
Ray, B-O, Ray, O-S.
Very good. Ray, B-O-O-B, Ray, O-S. Okay. Okay, students. This information we already studied in previous classes. Okay. This information we already studied in previous classes. Today we will going to learn zero angle, straight angle, then reflex angle, then complete angle, and how to draw an angle bisector. Okay, see, first zero angle. When two lines are in same direction with a vertex, okay, here this is right angle. Okay, this is right angle. When two lines, okay, see, when two lines are in same direction with a vertex, then there is no angle here, no angle between the two lines. Okay, means any angle equal to 0 degree or not turn in called zero angle. Okay, an angle with a measure of 0 degree is called a zero angle. An angle with a measure of 0 degree is called a zero angle. When two lines are in same direction with a vertex, when there is no angle between them, means any angle equal to 0 degree or not turn is called zero angle. Okay, this is zero angle. Then straight angle. Okay, what happens when both the arms of the angle are an opposite direction? See, what happens when both the arms of the angles are an opposite direction? Nothing. See here, this angle is right angle. Okay, what happens when both the arms of the angle are an opposite direction? See, nothing, there will be no angle. Wrong. This type of angle that measure 180 degree is called a straight angle. Okay. This type of angle that measure 180 degree is called a straight angle. A straight angle is an angle equal to 180 degrees. Okay. A straight angle is an angle equal to 180 degree. This angle is straight angle. Let's move the, see. Okay, let's move the arms of the angle more than 180 degree. Okay, more than 180 degrees. See. Okay, this is right angle. More than 180 degree. See what happened. Okay, see. More than 180. An angle whose measure more than 180 degree and less than 360 degree. Okay. An angle whose measure more than 180 degree and less than 360 degree is called reflex angle. Okay. Here, see. An angle whose measure more than 180 degree and less than 360 degree is called reflex angle. Okay, this angle is reflex angle. Okay, more than 180 degree and less than 360 degree called reflex angle. Okay, a reflex angle is greater than 180 degree and less than 360 degree. A reflex angle is greater than 180 degree and less than 360 degree. Okay, this angle is called reflex angle because measure of this angle is 270 degree, means greater than 180 degree and less than 360 degree. So this angle is reflex angle. Okay, then see what happens when both arms of an angle overlap with each other. See. Okay, what happens when both arms of an angle overlap with each other? 0 degree, 360 degree, as both are correct. An angle that measures 0 degree is called zero angle. Okay, when arms, see. Okay, when arms take complete turn. When arms take complete turn, an angle measure 360 degree. When arms take complete turn, an angle measure 360 degree and angle form 360 degree. See, when arms take complete turn, an angle measure 360 degree and angle form 360 degree. This type of angle called complete angle. Okay, this type of angle called complete angle. An angle whose measure is equal to 360 degree is called a complete angle. An angle whose measure is equal to 360 degree is called a complete angle. Okay, students, we learn types of angle on the basis of position of arms. Now tell me answer of some questions. Okay. The measure of some angles are given below. Please tell me the type of each angle. Okay. See, 75 degree, then 0 degree, then 215 degree, then 360 degree, then 180 degree, then 90 degree, then 120 degree. Okay. Our first measure is 75 degree. Tell me the name of 75 degree angle, or what is the name of angle whose measure is 75 degree? Give me answer.
Obtuse angle.
Very good. Acute angle. Okay. Then next. Our next measure is 0 degree. Okay. Next measure is 0 degree. What is the name of angle whose measure is 0 degree?
Zero angle.
Very good. Very correct. 0 angle. Okay. Then next. 215 degree. Tell me the name of 215
Reflex
degree.
angle.
Very good. Very correct answer. Reflex angle. Okay. Reflex angle. Okay. Greater than, they see here, greater than 180 degree and less than 360 degree. So it is reflex angle. Okay. Then next. 360 degree.
Complete
Okay.
angle.
Very good. Very good. Complete angle. Okay. 360 degree. Complete angle. Then next. Okay. Tell me the type of this angle. 180 degree. What is the name of angle whose measure is 180 degree?
Obtuse angle.
Okay, 180 degree. See again, 180 degree. Give me answer.
Straight angle.
Very good, very good. Straight angle. Okay. Then our next measure is 90 degree. Okay. Tell me the name of 90 degree angle.
Right angle.
Very good. Right angle. Very good. Okay. Then last 120 degree. What is the name of angle whose measure is 120 degree?
Obtuse angle.
Very good. Obtuse angle. Very good. Okay. Thank you for giving answers. Then, okay. Now we will going to learn to draw an angle bisector. Okay. Angle bisector. See. Angle bisector. So drawing angle bisector, our first step is first draw an angle ABC of any measure. Draw an angle ABC of any measure. See, angle ABC. Angle ABC. First draw an angle ABC of any measure. Then place the point of a compass. Okay. See. Then place the point of a compass on point B. Here, point B. Okay. Then place the point of a compass on point B. On point, this is point B. With any convenient distance, draw an arc to cut rays BA. Rays BA and ray BC. Okay. First, place the point of compass on point B and with any convenient distance, then draw an arc to cut rays BA and BC. C. BA and BC. Then name the points of intersection. See, these are intersection points. See, these are intersection point. Okay. Then name the point of intersection as P and Q respectively. Okay. These are intersection point. P and Q are intersection point. Okay. Then place the point of the compass at P. Okay. See, this is point P. Then place the point of the compass at P and taking a convenient distance, draw an arc inside the angle. Inside the angle. Okay, easy. Okay, see. Draw an arc inside the angle. Place the point of the compass at P and taking a convenient distance, draw an arc inside the angle. Okay. Then using same distance. Okay. Then again place the point of the compass at point Q and draw arc inside the angle to cut the previous arc. Okay. Here we get, see here. Okay, we get intersection point. We get here intersection point. Then name the point of intersection as point O. Okay. Then name the point of intersection as point O. Now draw ray BO. Here point B and here intersection point O. Then draw ray BO. See. Ray BO. Now here ray BO is the bisector of angle ABC. Ray BO is the bisector of angle ABC. Okay, ray BO is the bisector of angle ABC. In this way, we draw angle bisector of angle ABC with the help of compass. Okay. Okay, students, in this session, we have learned types of angles and how to draw an angle bisector using compass. Okay, this is our today's session. Thank you for attending today's session. Thank you.